So here we go in the quarterfinals. Macatbek against Mохмеди. National colours being represented in the singlets as well. Mохмеди standing up to Macatbek. Mохмedi's had a couple of tough encounters actually. First win was against a home hope from Albania. Did come through that okay, 11-3, and then a really tight last match, 7-6 he won it against Roman Zoidze. Macatbek, meanwhile, has had two rather straightforward wins. Wang Ji-yuan and Croatia's Antonio Kamanjasevic, beaten 9-2 and 5-0 respectively.
Arm dragging attempt there from Mохмеди.
Саймадан супер сунуш. Кубаттуу гигабиттик жаңы муундагы Wi-Fi роутер. Секундасына 1 гигабитке чейин супер ылдамдыкты колдоо. Ар түрдүү диапазондогу 2 Wi-Fi тармагын жөндөө мүмкүнчүлүгү. Үйүңүздүн каалаган бурчунда туруктуу интернет. Жана ушуну сиз премиум 500 плюс ОТВдын супер ылдам тарифин кошууда таптакыр акысыз аласыз. Күтүүнүн кереги жок. Сайманы кош.
Getting his leg caught in between. Macatbek just dominating the centre, which therefore means Mохмedi's going to get put down in parterre. I always say the wrestler that dominates the centre usually is the more attacking one.
Ырыскелди Macatbek gets ready to move Mохмеди around. Gets under the waist, clamps the hands together. Kind of lock does he have on? Not a strong enough one at present. Now he's in. Mохмеди ensuring he doesn't get ripped out of the floor.
Macatbek there on the ground, parterre position, just really didn't go for one technique. He was trying to mix it up a little bit too much, and when you do that, you have to let go. You have to set your grips again, and that just takes too long. I would have liked to see him just go for one grip, stick with it, and try and make something out of that situation instead of hopping between 3 or 4 techniques. It gives someone like Mохмеди a good chance to just get those hips a little bit more tighter to the ground, especially every time that grip breaks off.
Macatbek gets a lock on and a step out point to go to 2-0.
That was really slick work how he did it as well. Faked an arm drag, and as Mохмеди pulled his arm back, he uses that little pocket there to drive a hand through, get that body lock, and then runs him off the mat. Really good work.
Clock stopped. Macatbek 2-0. Second round. Kyrgyzstan against Iran. Straight over the top goes Macatbek. Element of surprise on his side, but didn't follow it through. Turns it into a full frontal barrage of attempted ties, and generally just making himself a real nuisance to Mохмеди. Turning this into a scrap, the Kyrgyz wrestler has to be the next man down to get a parterre point, Mохмеди, you sense, and Machatbek trying to take that opportunity completely away from him.
I mean, it really is going at him with everything he's got, and in the start of the second round, you can tell he does not want to go down into parterre position. He's really chasing his man down. He got him on the back foot the whole time.
Must have held something back in that first round to be able to do this. Machatbek, and it's working as well. Mохмеди has stopped once and is looking to the judges for help as well. Forced into parterre, so that's the reward for that minute and 7 seconds of hard work for Machatbek. Mохmеди going down. What does he have in the tank to try and score with, though, Machatbek? Already with the point for parterre. How much more can he take out of this? Jumps around from a reverse position. George, technique-wise there, how would you appraise that one from Machatbek?
Well, he's going for the reverse lift, isn't he? Instead of going for the normal lift where he's parallel with his opponent and he's lifting high, he turns the other way, goes for that reverse lift, and they like to throw their opponent over their own head. So the aim of the technique is to get the hips over the opponent's head and then bring them over for usually a 2-point tilt. Machatbek really showing us how good his gas tank is in the second round, really driving his man, grinding him down.
No let up just yet from Machatbek. Mохmеди round the legs here.
Well, the question is, how much does Mохmеди have in the tank after such a high-paced second round? Machatbek, if you look at him, doesn't even look like he's breathing heavy. Out of position. Mохmеди looks like he's wearing the wear and tear of this second 3 minutes.
Not been able to match the Kyrgyz wrestler, has he, in the tempo stakes. It's that has won this day for him in this contest. It's a semi-final for Machatbek. Mохmеdi outgassed in the end.